Here's PIXELUP app, and it's an interesting app, super powerful, where it has a lot of features in itself. So now you can also create AI avatars. You can enhance my photos much better quality, or like if you have like a weird quality, you can just make them look better. You can colorize all photos. So if you have some old photos, you can just try to colorize them. But of course, I have already like a colorized photo. So if you want to colorize, for example, a photo, so let's just watch an ad. If you want ads, you need to upgrade, and you can get a lifetime subscriptions for like $40, which is pretty cheap actually for this powerful app. And then here you have like you can colorize photo like this. Then for example, you can enhance it. It's actually, the ads are annoying, but it's also pretty cool that you can do all of these things just in one app. It's kind of like Photoshop for your mobile. So then, you can, for example, enhance this. And then you can see all the faces automatically detected. And you can animate it as well. And then you can descratch and smart edit. For example, animate. Let's try it out. So portraits and expressive photos. So for example, I have this photo and I want to animate it. And then, let's try it out. So let's see the ad and then, for these cool features and photo ads. I guess if you really want to use this app, like seriously, probably you need to upgrade. That's how it works here, because it can become really unbearable. Almost there. So let's see finally how it works. So you can expect something like this, like with your image being animated. And then you can select different vibes and how do you want to do it. And then maybe you can also add some sounds, I don't know, and then you can just save and share it. So we tried out colorize, animate, and descratch, meaning that if you have some like damaged, scratched and damaged photos, it can actually improve them and just make them much better. If you have like this scratched photo. Okay, so during the day you can only do like 3 images a day with free version, get Pro and remove limits. So then if you want to upgrade to Pro, again that's $4.99 per week or $40 lifetime. So if you planning to use it more than 2 months, I guess it just makes sense to upgrade to lifetime. And you can enhance, you can colorize, and you can animate faster, everything in one app. Remove daily limit, no limits, and 50% off on AI avatars. So that's like a pretty cool app. So again, like the top features are that you can enhance photos, you can animate, you can improve all photos, and then you can also create AI avatars and colorize all their photos. So that's like 4 features. And also you can just scan the photo. So for example, if you have like an old album or something like that, just, you know, in some archive. You can really just use this app, upgrade to lifetime, and really enhance the quality of all these old photos just in one app. And then, yeah, I didn't even need to create an account. You can always reach out to support in this app. You can see your gallery, you can see your filter, features. Okay, so there are also things like smart edit. There are things like unblur, where if there is some blurring or something like that on older photo, you can unblur it easily with this app. So yeah, a lot of like nice and cool features which you can definitely try out. And yeah, then you can just upgrade here. There is 3-day free trial, but there is no free trial on if you select lifetime. If you have a 3-day free trial, meaning you can use it for 2 days and then you need to cancel if you don't want to use it on the second day. Yeah, if you then cancel on the third day, I think you still will be charged for the next week. So that's just so you know how it works on the App Store. And yeah, definitely give a try to this app. There are so many of these apps recently, but I think this one is one of the top ones. It's easy to use, and you have this like real powerful feature in this one app combined. Unfortunately, yeah, you only have 3 images daily limit, so I can't show you more, and you just need to watch a lot of these ads while in this app. But yeah, that's basically how it works. Also, yeah, just feel free to like this video so more people can discover this app. Check out my other videos. I actually recently reviewed a lot of these graphics and design apps. Just there are so many of those, but yeah, I just did a lot of reviews of those. You can also subscribe to my channel, or you can tap join button if you want to become a Mr. Hackeo member and kind of support my work. If you want for me to put more videos out there and just do more overviews, so you can always tap the join button. Yeah, and also you can just visit my blog where I describe a lot of these different apps and create tutorials for them, mrhack.io. So that's about it. Again, thank you for watching. And let's see each other in future videos, probably future video overviews and tutorials around the web. And yeah,